The first step in doing your Jingle Bells remix is going to be to open Noteflight. Noteflight is a music notation editor, and you all have an account. If you are prompted, make sure you log in with your CBRSD K-12 credentials. Use your username and password for school. This notation will open up in your browser. And I realize not a lot of you read music. That is okay. If you do, you're going to be right at home. But if you don't, you can still export this as MIDI data. And besides, you're going to need these chords in order to complete the project. So what you're going to do to export is find this cloud icon. It is in the score menu. And if you are not showing the score menu, then go over to this little hamburger icon and make sure that score is indeed checked. Once it is, you'll see this cloud, and then you can export. Now, you want to export this as MIDI. So click on MIDI and then go to Continue. I see that it has two separate options here. I've tried them both and I can't tell the difference. So it doesn't really matter what the setting is here. Click Continue and you'll see that the download is complete. You can close this and then go over to BandLab. Once you're in BandLab, you're going to want to go to make a new personal project. So go to your library and then open the mix editor. In the mix editor, go down to the bottom and choose Import Audio or MIDI. It'll bring you right to your Downloads folder. Now, don't forget, MIDI is not an audio file, and BandLab is looking for audio files. So you're going to have to click on this and select All Files. Then you'll see all of your files. So here's my Jingle Bells MIDI file. I'm going to click on Open. Now you'll notice that the key automatically sets to G major, which was the key that the notation software was in, and the tempo has set to 120 beats per minute. And the default instrument is grand piano, but we're going to change that a little later. Make sure you hit save before you go on to the next step.